Yeah, I am Chief Longinus Anokute, and she is.
Lolo Uche Nwakuche Eduzo.
Yeah, we are. Today it happens to be our traditional wedding. Actually, we are getting married. Eh?
You are who?
I thought you have accepted me.
Accepted you where? Do you have
Oh,
money?
what would the man get? But I guess in Egalum.
I like Fokwengu Kero.
I will go Majurukwa Mabuolem.
Henju was so quang on.
Chineke Pokwago.
Oh, what I can do,
I know some to email, but I just want to pity you and come out your name from your father's house, and you're messing up. It's so Subuogo.
It's so Kaji. You don't matter.
Nonsense. She single pom nas. Adam romantic. Adam romantic in nature. So. This is pom nation she already pom nako.
Hello, my name is Uche Nwakuche Eduzo, aka Sister Maggi. I'm here to say thank you to all my beautiful fans out there for your patronage, for your beautiful comments, and for your encouragement. I appreciate you. God bless you. And if you think what you have been watching is not enough and you still want to enjoy yourself and roll on the floor, you know what? Let me tell you the secret. Just go to the YouTube and type Chief Imo Comedy and you're good to go.